Hey guys, I'm David.
And I'm Aaron.
And we are Adventures of David and Aaron. Welcome back to our channel. My name is David and you're watching Adventures of David and Aaron. Today's video, guys, is a special unboxing video of the Canon EOS M50 Creator Kit. It was time for us to go out and get a new camera for vlogging and to challenge ourselves to learn some new things about photography, get into some B-roll, and step our game up a little bit on our vlogging. This camera has a lot to offer, continuous learning. There's probably going to be a lot of features on here I may not even get to use, but I will have fun learning about it and experimenting with this new camera. So let's get into the video and we'll show you what we received. We purchased the Canon EOS M50 Creator Kit through Amazon. Everything you see here is what came with this kit. This kit comes with 3 lenses, a 15-45 kit lens, which is on the camera. It also came with 2 other lenses, high definition wide angle lens and a high definition telephoto lens. 10 reasons why we decided to purchase this camera. 1, shoots in HD, 4K and 1080p. Has an electronic viewfinder. It also is great in low lighting. And for what you see here from the Creator Kit, this is bang for our buck. So money well worth spending. Also has digital image stabilizer, electronic viewfinder, a fully articulating touchscreen, built-in flip screen, and we also received a rapid charger with European adapters. Also a small cleaning kit. Came with a SanDisk memory card. It also came with these 3-piece digital filter kit lenses and the close-up micro lenses. And it also came with the wind muff. Additionally purchased separately extra batteries and chargers. We also picked up the Movo lapel microphones. In February, one of our subscribers, William Nevius, surprised us and sent us this camera gear bag and this monopod. The monopod will definitely come in handy now for our Canon EOS M50, and this bag here will definitely come in handy for our underwater GoPro equipment and our secondary cameras and batteries. So thank you, William Nevius. Guys, check him out on YouTube.